welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Rouser-Davis and I'm back with a new hair tutorial. Today I'm giving you guys this Alipearl hair. This hair is gorgeous. I have an 18-inch closure, a 20, 22, and a 24-inch bundle. And today I'm going to color this hair like a burgundy, not a burgundy, but like a ginger paprika. It's gonna be really, really pretty. So I have 40 developer, and then I'm going to use my bleach. And you want to be careful with this stuff because this stuff can get crazy and out of hand. 40 developer is really, really strong, and you'll see in the video that it changed the hair color super, super quick. So you really have to be careful with the developer. And I was gonna do navy, but I changed my mind and decided to do like the paprika ginger kind of thing, and I love it. Also, I'll put down my cousin's name down below in her Instagram because she made the wig for me, and she's bomb and she's very affordable with the wig making thing. So now I'm just trying to stir up this developer and this bleach together, with bleach powder together, so it can be more of a creamy consistency. And then we're going to start dyeing the hair basically. I wanted to start off with the closure first because this is the easiest. So you're going to see me dye the bundle, and you're also going to see me dye the closure. And yeah, it was super, super easy. I could have did better with the dyeing the knots, but I'm practicing. I'm still practicing, you guys. But this was like the easiest part, so I just wanted to get this one out the way first. So this is the last bundle that I bleached, and I made sure to go back and forth just in case I missed any spots. You want to try to cover as much bleach as you want to on the bundle. And I'm just using this brush that I bought from the hair store to make sure the bleach goes throughout the hair. And yeah, it's really simple. That's why I just really kind of skipped to the last bundle, so you guys can actually see what I'm doing, even though my arm is in the way, so excuse that. But you see how fast the color is changing already, thanks to this 40 developer. Since we're done bleaching the hair, it is time to shampoo the hair. I'm just going to use these shimmer lights, so I'm going to make sure all the brassy tones are out the hair. And I want it to be blonde as possible. So now I'm going to take boiling water and put it in this big old container that you can get from anywhere, like Walmart, Dollar Tree, anywhere. That's all you really need, because you want to actually see the colors that you put in my opinion. So I'm going to take the Adore semi-permanent dye in Cajun Spice and Paprika. I did use more paprika than I used the Cajun Spice because I did want it a little bit more red. So now you see me dipping the hair, making sure the oh, that looks so nice. Making sure the color is actually going to be the color that I want. And I think I let this sit for like 30 to 45 minutes in the like little container, and then you'll see me wash it out. Sometimes I'm a little too close to the mic, but this is the color basically that it is, and you see me washing it out with cold water. And of course I'm going to wash it and I'm going to condition it so it can be soft and everything. And you guys, I really love how the color came out, y'all. It came out really, really nice. I love how many colors it has, like the orange, it has like the red. Now I'm going to curl it because my curl needs, well, not my curl, but my hair needs some body. And I'm using this Hot Tools one that I bought from Ulta, and it was on sale for $29.99. And of course you can use coupons. So I only showed you guys how I did one side of my head, and also I didn't show you guys each curl I do because it would have got a little boring, you know. So I'm just showing you guys. This did come with gloves, but I do not know where my gloves went. So yeah, make sure you guys use your gloves. Don't be trying to be a bad bee like me, because I burnt myself a couple of times. My OGX coconut milk serum, and I used that all over my hair, especially on my ends, because I want my hair to look shiny, bouncy, and nourished. And I'm just taking it step by step. This time I decided to do medium to small curls because last time I did bigger curls, and I do want my curls to last a little longer in the hair. I'm going to take my OGX hairsprays. One is an extra hold and one is like a real hold. So the first one, which is the purple one, is the 3 hold, and the yellow gold one is the 5 hold. And I love both of those products. They smell really good and really do hold my curls. No, I'm not sponsored by OGX. They don't even know who I am, but I love their products. So now I'm going to just go ahead and comb. Even though these curls look really, really good, like by themselves, I'm going to comb it because I want that nice like wavy curl, if that makes any sense. And I love this color. Like, I would have never thought in a million years I would wear this color, but it's super, super cute. I love it. It's just gorgeous. So I'm going to take this Care like styling wax, because sometimes I have flyaways and we don't want that. So this is my hair, you guys. I love you guys so much. Let me know down below if you guys want more hair tutorials. I will be coming back with makeup tutorials soon, and I'll see you guys in my next video.